Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take partials out of PrimeXBT. And with that I mean, I just created a nice position and that position is standing so high right now, I want to take my profit. But to be honest, if we look to the positions here, everything is red. So it's just an example what I said. And I will show you right now as quick as possible how we can take partials from our position. So I just created right here on Bitcoin a position for, what was it? Oh, $88. Now I want to take partials from it. It's on red, so it's very stupid to do this, but it's just to show you how to do it. Now if you go to close, you see right here that the amount to close is right now 0.007 Bitcoin. Now we want to change this a little bit. So let's close. Now this is fine. So 0.003. And this means that we keep 0.004 in our trade. So now we close it for 0.003. And it's also saying right here, partial close. So that's exactly what we were searching for. So right now, if you click here on partial close, you see that we close our position for 0.003. And this is exactly how it works. So hopefully after watching what I did, it's now clear for you how to take partials. And if you still have questions about it, please comment it down below so I can help you out. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.